If you'd like to start growing your own food but you don't know where to start, then I highly recommend growing Swiss chard. Swiss chard, I have found, is one of the easiest plants to grow. It just literally grows and grows, and I harvest from this every single day. Now, I personally like to chop it up and either make it into a salad or make it into some sort of a stir fry. You can get really inventive with it. However, what is really exciting about it is that literally you can't tell that you harvested. Every single day you take enough that you can eat, and you come back the next day and it doesn't even look like you've taken any at all. In addition to being chock full of nutrients and being delicious, researchers think it's also anti-cancerous. It's so tasty too. So start growing your own Swiss chard today. I'm the Green Tip Guy, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week. It's it's so tasty too.